Good morning class. How are you students? Hope everyone is fine. Let's start our subject. Today our subject is mathematics and this is your new chapter time, chapter 9, and this is your part 2. Okay? Hours in a day. How many hours in a day? 24 hours. Okay? Observe the clock for full one day. One full day. Write down how many times in one day the shorthand or the hour hand goes around in a full circle. How many times the shorter hand and how many times the bigger hand goes on the full clock of the face. Okay, then it goes 2 times. How many times? 2 times. First 24 hours is there, first 12 hours one time, and then again 12 hours 2 times. That will be total will be 24 hours. Now how many hours does a clock face shows? Count and write. How many hours? 24 hours. Total is 24 hours one day, 24 hours. Okay, the short hand moves 2 times around 12 hours on the clock face, so one day has 12 plus 12 is equal to 24 hours. This one you will write in your copy and book also. These all things you will have to write because all things will come in the examinations. Is it clear? Now turn the page, come to the next. This you will do in your book. Now write down what you were doing yesterday at the following time. What you were doing yesterday. 5 o'clock in the morning, get up early. You woke up, okay. 9 o'clock in the morning, went to school. Went to school. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, took lunch. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, played football or anything else. Anything else. 6 o'clock in the evening, studied and did homework. Studied and did homework. 9 o'clock in the evening, took dinner. Now turn the next page. Days of the week. How many days in one week? 7 days. Very good. Sunday is the first day. After that, now remember the days of the week and write them. Sunday, then it will come here. Monday, then it will come here. Please write all the spellings correctly. It will come here. Tuesday, it will come here. Tuesday, then Wednesday, Wednesday. Please write the spellings correctly. Then it will come here. Thursday, Thursday. Then it will come here. After Thursday, it will come here. Friday, Friday. And the last again Saturday, that is the weekend. Saturday. Saturday is the weekend, last day of the week. There are 7 days in a week. It will do in your copy as the same way. The direct like activity or project work you will do in your copy and book both. Is it clear? Turn the next page. This one also you have to do it in your copy, even book also. Fill in the blanks. Today is, which day is today? Today is Friday. 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 I go to school for how many days you go? 6 days. 6. Now next question. Dash is called the weekend. Saturday. Saturday. Okay. Dash comes after Tuesday. What comes after Tuesday? Tell me. Dash comes after Tuesday. Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Dash comes before Saturday. Before Saturday, what comes? Friday comes before Saturday. Dash comes between Wednesday and Friday. Thursday. URSDAY. Dash comes before Sunday but after Friday. Saturday comes before Sunday and after Friday. SATURDAY. Dash is the first day of the week. SUNDAY. Just before we have studied that Sunday is the first day. Dash is the seventh or last day of the week. Seventh day it will come. Let us count. Sunday first day, again Monday second, Tuesday third, Wednesday fourth, Thursday fifth, Friday sixth, and Saturday is seventh. That is the weekend. Saturday is the seventh or last day of the week. SATURDAY. Saturday is the seventh or last day of the week. Okay, Saturday is the seventh or last day of the week. Dash is the second day of the week. Which is the second day? First day is Sunday and second day is Monday. Monday is the second day of the week. Now turn the next page. Let's read the questions. These all things you have to write it and understood properly in your copy. Month in a year. How many months? 12 months. Now look at the calendar of this year. We have to look at the calendar of this year. There are 12 months in a year. Look at the names and learn them. All the names you have to learn with the spelling. And to remember the number of days in each month. How many days in each month? Here is an given easy trick. Fold your hand and keep it as it given on a punch. Now go up and down on your knees. Now look here, one example I am giving you like this way. Okay, this is the up one is the, see, look here, these both here up one, this and this. Okay, from here we will start. Up one will be January, then again down here February, then up. Up is the portion of 31st day, okay, 31 day, and down is the portion of 30 days. And February is exceptional. We know that February there is 28 or 29 days. 29 days comes after in a leap year, that is after 4 years. Then up one will be 31 days and down one will be 30 days. Okay, so let's see. And here is the joining, both are up. Look here, here also up and here also up. You also will do as the same way. Look here, up 31 January, down, that is February is the exceptional. Then again March is up 31, April down 30, May is up 31, June is down 30, again July is up 31, again here touching up. August, again August up 31, September down 30, October is up 31, then November down 30, and again here is up, that is December. Okay, I hope you all understood. So please watch the video again and again so that you can clarify easily. The same way here two joining is the again here January, then here down February, up is March, again April is down, May is up, June is down, and again July is up. Here also August, again I have touched the finger, one is hiding. August is up 31, September is down, October is up 31, November is down 30, December is up 31, afterwards no one. Okay, now use this trick and write the number of days in each month. January 31, February 28 or 29. You will write in your copy and book both. March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August also 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, December is your 31. Okay, I hope you all understood. Now again turn the next page. Okay students, Okay, so till then, till here you write it down. I am coming with the next part. Thank you बच्चों, bye bye.